Savory Lu-style sliced pork belly with aromatic mashed garlic, suan ni bai ro. A delicious Chinese, shandong, appetizer cold dish recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 45 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams skin-on pork belly, 40 grams ginger, 3 stalked scallions, 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorns, 2 tablespoons Shaoxing rice wine, 2 liters water, 8 to 10 pieces garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Chengqiang black vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar. Step 1. Rinse the pork belly under cold water. If there are any hairs on the skin, use a kitchen torch or a razor to remove them cleanly. Step 2. Place the pork belly in a large pot. Cover with 2 liters of cold water. Add the ginger slices, scallion knot, Sichuan peppercorns, and Shaoxing wine. Step 3. Bring the pot to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, skim off any grey foam or impurities that rise to the surface to ensure a clean flavor. Step 4. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer gently for 30 to 40 minutes. The pork is ready when a chopstick can easily pierce through the thickest part of the meat without resistance. Step 5. While the pork cooks, prepare the garlic. Use a mortar and pestle to mash the garlic cloves with a pinch of salt until they form a smooth, sticky paste. This releases more oils than chopping. Step 6. In a small bowl, whisk together the mashed garlic, light soy sauce, black vinegar, sugar, chili oil, sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of the hot pork broth. Step 7. Prepare the bed for the pork. Peel the cucumber into long, thin ribbons or julienne it finely. Arrange the cucumber in the center of a serving platter. Step 8. Once the pork is cooked, remove it from the pot and immediately plunge it into a ball of ice water for 2 minutes. This stops the cooking and firms up the fat for easier slicing. Step 9. Pat the pork dry with paper towels. Using a very sharp knife, slice the pork belly against the grain into paper-thin slices, approximately 2 to 3 mm thick. Step 10. Neatly drape the pork slices over the cucumber mound, slightly overlapping them to create a beautiful presentation. Step 11. Stir the garlic sauce once more and pour it generously over the center of the pork slices, allowing it to drip down the sides. Step 12. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Serve immediately while the pork is slightly warm or at room temperature. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.